Hi, Jason Tirado with Lightware here at ISE 2019. I want to talk to you today about our new UC connectivity solution from Lightware. We've been talking to a lot of end users, consultants, and integrators to try to get some input on the problems that they're facing in today's rooms. And one of the things that they've told us is about that they're building a lot of very small 4-person, 6-person, maybe 8-person rooms, and they start off with the display in the room and a USB camera and perhaps other USB peripherals. The problem is that those USB devices have not been able to managed, monitored, or controlled in the way that we're used to in the professional installed systems market. And so we've tried to come out with a new product that's going to be able to help with these issues. It's basically the ability to take in different USB sources and bring them out into their HDMI and audio components, along with the room controller and the ability to share all of those USB devices between hosts that might be coming into the room. I'll take a quick example and just tell you that most of these rooms will have a dedicated NUC or dedicated room PC that's running the soft codec. But when other people walk in, they might want to use their own laptops and their own soft codec for the environment, and this product will allow them to switch the host devices between all the USB peripherals, as well as extension, room control, management, and monitoring. I know it's a lot, but you can find out more at lightware.com.